Why does the price of Cardano, according to Hoskinson, keep falling? What are the reasons behind this? Despite Charles Hoskinson's concern about macro issues, the Cardano ADA price is expected to gain 15%. It is anticipated that Cardano's Basel update will be optimistic, but concerns regarding macroeconomic factors are severely counteracting the upside bias. It will implement a significant network update known as Basel, which has the potential to make its blockchain more scalable and less expensive. Despite this, the news has not successfully generated significant upward momentum in ADA's market. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and greetings. Today's video will about how Hoskinson explained why Cardano will keep falling, so stay focused. Macro reasons hamper the most favorable potential possibility for ADA. Since the announcement that Basel was being launched, the price of ADA has increased by around 3.5% to 51 cents. This includes a rally of approximately 14%, followed by a near-perfect wipeout. In other words, traders initially bought into the buzz around Basel, but they exited markets very quickly, as the price activity seen below demonstrates. Despite the optimism surrounding Basel, Charles Hoskinson, the founder of Cardano, attributed the underperformance of ADA to macro causes, stating that the cryptocurrency markets as a general are disconnected from reality. He continued by saying, "Cardano has never been stronger, and frankly, many other projects are equally solid across the industry, but you don't see that represented. All you see is a sea of red." In the days running up to the meeting held by the Federal Open Market Committee on September 20 and 21, the statements were made public just as riskier assets were getting ready for another steep drop. Is a mini Cardano rise ahead? Cardano appears to be prepared to experience a small rally in the days running up to the Basel hard fork, at least from a purely technical point of view. The price of ADA is testing a support confluence on the 4-hour chart, which indicates that a potential comeback move is imminent. A multi-week rising trendline and a support bar have come together to form this confluence. Imagine that ADA recovers after encountering the confluence. After that, ADA's immediate upside goal is around 50 cents. A multi-week declining trendline and a mid-level target that has acted as a price ceiling since August converges at this level, making it a point of resistance where two levels of resistance meet. Meanwhile, a break over 50 cents might lead ADA bulls to test 53 cents as their primary upside objective. This level has a considerable history as resistance, and it could be tested if the price of ADA rises above 50 cents. To put it another way, if we compare the price of ADA on September 7 to its current price, we could see a gain of 15% before the Basel hard fork. Nevertheless, ADA appears to be weaker on its longer timeframe charts, where its behavior over the past 3 days has revealed the presence of a bearish continuation pattern known as a descending triangle. According to the principles of technical analysis, the price of ADA might go as low as 26 cents or 37 cents if it convincingly breaks below the lower trendline of its declining triangle. In other words, a price reduction of over 40% from the existing levels. This price decline may be attributed to various sources, as may the lack of growth in Cardano's price. Reasons behind falling. Cardano has been plummeting to the ground since they removed him from the ATH. This coin's price, which is presently selling at 74 cents, has decreased by 75% in the last 8 months. This price decline may be attributed to various sources, as may the lack of growth in Cardano's price. The first cause is the collapse of the cryptocurrency market. The Federal Reserve has caused disruptions in the money and other financial markets, including cryptocurrency, over the past few months. Cardano and the cryptocurrency market as a whole are pessimistic today, due in part to the Federal Reserve's actions. Competition is another significant factor contributing to the Cardano price stagnation. The cryptocurrency community is increasingly interested in exciting new initiatives because these projects offer better profits. One of the new initiatives, BitGirt, is one of the reasons why significant coins like Cardano are performing poorly. In point of truth, BitGirt has gotten significantly more attention than Cardano has today. Because of this, the price of BitGirt has been going through the roof while the price of Cardano has been going down. BitGirt has captured the attention of cryptocurrency fans thanks to its rapidly expanding ecosystem and groundbreaking solutions. Even though the BitGirt team is making rapid progress on its goals, the BitGirt products that disrupt the industry have been the focus of most attention. The speed of the BitGirt BRC20 blockchain has surpassed that of Cardano and a lot of other blockchains. Additionally, the BitGirt BRC20 imposes a transaction cost of $0.000000001 for every transaction. This is a fee of 0 gas. Because of this, the BitGirt chain is noticeably superior to the Cardano blockchain, which is why the BitGirt blockchain is currently undergoing widespread adoption. The BitGirt ecosystem is expanding at a quicker rate, with a large number of goods and hundreds of projects scheduled for release in the near future. The fact that cryptocurrency enthusiasts are purchasing other cryptocurrencies rather than Cardano means that the price of Cardano is not increasing. The rapid growth of Bitcoin Ethereum is making investors richer than the growth of Cardano. It will be challenging for the Cardano team to achieve the same level of growth as Bittrex, which means that it will be difficult for ADA to make a substantial price increase. Disclaimer: all of the material included in this article are the author's personal opinion, and it is not intended to serve as investment advice. Rather, it is intended to be used purely for educational purposes. Using this, you acknowledge that the provided material does not constitute investment or financial advice. Before deciding on anything to do with investments, you should consult with financial professionals and conduct your independent research. Why the price of Cardano ADA is still likely to drop below 40 cents shortly despite Vasil upgrade. Since reaching a low in May, Cardano ADA prices have been moving sideways within a neutral pattern. A failure stemming from it can significantly quicken the rate of decline. Cardano's Vasil upgrade was made available to the public on September 22, and 1 epoch later, on September 27, new capabilities were made available to developers. Vasil is the most comprehensive improvement Cardano has received up to this point. It is anticipated that it would boost the capabilities of decentralized applications while also enhancing the speed and decreasing costs. Despite this improvement, the price action appears to continue to be bearish. Since reaching an all-time high price of $3.10 in August of 2021, the price of ADA has dropped by 86%. The downward movement has adhered to a descending resistance line during the entire process. The price has not yet reached a significant horizontal support level, although the downward momentum has been halted since May. The highs from 2018 and January 2021 have built a support level in the vicinity of 36 cents. Since the collapse, the region has not been examined by any means. In addition, the bearish divergence trendline, seen in green, which was responsible for the downward movement, has not been broken. As a result, the most likely scenario appears to involve a decline that at least approaches the long-term support region located at 36 cents. A decline in the price of ADA appears likely. The symmetrical triangle that has been in place since May 12 has hit its support line on the daily chart, which shows that ADA has done so. As of right now, the support line has been touched 5 times, which indicates that a breakdown in the future is the scenario that is likely to occur. The formation of a triangle has followed a downward movement, providing more support for this option. The relative strength index is currently below 50, yet another indicator that the trend is negative. If there is a breakdown, the following closest support levels will be at $0.323 and $0.226 respectively. When the triangle's height is measured, the Fibonacci levels 1.27 and 1.61 are responsible for their creation. The initial aim would also be compatible with the long-term support zone described before. A decline below the D-wave low, red line, at $0.423 would confirm the completed triangle count, white. However, increasing above the way E high, green line, at 52 cents would invalidate it. This is because there is already a completed triangle count, white. That's all we have for you today. If you don't want to miss any future videos, subscribe to the channel and switch on notifications. Please participate and share your thoughts in the comments section below. Thank you so much for watching.